If you want to know how to fix Snapchat not sending messages, you've come to the right place. So let's try to open our Snapchat. I'm going to open chat folder right up here. And now we can easily try to send snaps to someone to send our messages, and everything is good. As you can see, it works correctly. So how can you do the same? How can you fix this problem? Because I had it. So the first thing of why can you receive this problem, why can't you send messages, is that you don't have any mobile connection. So if we'll scroll to the down, we can now check our Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and make sure that they're working, because sometimes you can like turn on the Wi-Fi but it won't be connected. And the next way of how can we fix this problem is that we can close the Snapchat, open App Store or Google Play, and here search for Snapchat. So after that, we need to open their official page right up here and make sure that you have the latest version, because sometimes if you didn't update it for a long time, you can receive this message, because sometimes they do not support the old versions of the app. So after that, probably your problem will be automatically solved. And the last thing, we need to open our settings, scroll to the down to find all the apps, and then open basically Snapchat page. So here, and make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on as for you. So after that, you can easily close the settings and try to check, do you have the option to save, to send messages on Snapchat. So yeah, this is a way of how can we fix Snapchat not sending messages problem. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.